welcome back to my YouTube channel, and those who are new, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Neha Sawan and I make manifestation technique videos. And guys, first of all, in this video I want to thank people who have taken my 30 days meditation challenge personal video, to clean negativity, and they're actually messaging me with their improvements also. So I'm really very excited and glad, and with this excitement, in today's video I am gonna share 60-second manifestation technique to manifest your desire. Most of you all are really depressed, there is a programming in your subconscious mind which has gone so negative that you cannot think of positivity at all, that you can also be positive or happy or joyful. So with this negative programming, you are just sending signal to the universe that yes, your present reality is very negative and it is not going according to you. So whatever your subconscious mind has, that information is actually getting manifested in your reality. I know most of you all are facing difficulty in manifestation because of this negativity only. Okay, that is why, this is why I actually prepared a 30 days meditation challenge to clean your negativity from your subconscious mind, and I am thankful most of you all have bought it. Okay, so what happens, most of the manifestation technique, which most of the written manifestation technique, for example 555 technique or Bay technique or scripting, what we do is we actually write our manifestation in present tense. Like I am having this desired person, I am having my ex back, I am having lot of money. But sometimes it happens for some of you, actually it is happening that you cannot even imagine these 3 words, I am having. You cannot even imagine of being in that manifestation reality. Okay guys, so 60-second manifestation technique is for you all who are not able to even imagine that you can change your current reality. And trust me guys, this 60-second manifestation technique is going to make your work more easy and simple, because we have to choose some phrase or some keywords and we have to repeat it for 60 seconds. Okay guys, whatever we repeat more and more, it goes actually into our subconscious mind. It's actually sinks into our subconscious mind, and eventually it becomes our reality. So because of this technique, it can create a massive change in your life. Okay guys, till now in all the manifestation technique where we were writing I am having this, but it was eventually creating difficulty to imagine for some of you all that how can I imagine I am having if I am really not having. Okay, so now what happened, that you all started creating doubt for if law of attraction is going to work, if it does work or not, if manifestation is real or not. First of all guys, manifestation or law of attraction is no magic. It is just practical information fit in your subconscious mind, which sinks in your subconscious mind, and according to that your emotions come out, and it gets connected to your thought, your positive thought. Then eventually according to that you unconsciously start taking such kind of actions. The universe start gathering sources for you all, and you start taking action, and then your manifestation becomes your reality. Okay guys, so yes, this 60-second technique, with this 60-second technique you have to repeat some phrases which will sink in your subconscious mind, and eventually it will become your reality. And we have to choose such phrases which do not have I am having. Okay, because these are the difficult words which you are actually facing difficulties in imagining. So what we will do, suppose take an example that you want to attract your ex back and you have a very difficult relationship going on with this person. Okay, you are not in contact with this person and you are not in talking terms with this person, but you want your ex back, and you cannot imagine that you are having it right now. So you will choose at least three keywords. What you will choose is healing relationship. Okay, 2 to 3 words you have to choose, maximum 3 words, maximum 3 keywords. Okay, what you will choose? Healing relationship. You just have to repeat, you just set a timer, alarm clock, okay, for 1 minute, and just sit or lying down, whatever you feel comfortable in. Just be in that position, comfortable position, and for 1 minute after setting your timer, just repeat healing relationship, healing relationship, or healed relationship, healed relationship. I will recommend you healing relationship, because then again it will come, how is this going to be healed when it is not even when I am not in a talking terms even. So just go for healing relationship, so your subconscious mind can believe that yes, it is healing. Okay, suppose you want a desired person, then you just have to repeat for 1 minute, desired person, desired person, desired person. Okay, suppose you are lacking in money and you are manifesting money, you just have to repeat money, only one word, it is enough. Money, money, and money for 1 minute. Okay guys, you just have to choose some important keywords which are positive and related to your manifestation, and you have to repeat it for at least 1 minute. And guys, you can use this technique as many times as you can in 24 hours in one day. Suppose example, you can practice this manifestation, 60-second manifestation technique in the morning or 1 hour before you sleep. Okay, so actually I feel personally these 2 timings are really very important for our subconscious mind. I feel personally that my subconscious mind is more active when I come to sleep or when I wake up in the morning. So you can use as many times by setting alarm in your clock, by in your mobile, and you can use this technique as many times as you can at your home or anywhere you feel. And guys, one more thing I want to make you understand. I am really very glad that you all message me and ask me what to do for your problems. Obviously I make manifestation technique, and guys, my videos, by watching my videos, I help you all in my videos how you can heal yourself. Okay, because healing process is done by ourselves, guys. I have also healed myself, so you can also heal yourself. Okay, I was the most sensitive person I guess in the world, I feel so, and I have improved myself and I have healed so much. Okay guys, so you can also heal yourself. That is why I am making this video. So take information and work hard and heal yourself. Manifestation, law of attraction is no magic, and the person sharing the information is no magician. It is actually practical information people give you so that you can take guidance and help yourself and become, create a positive mindset, become a great person, where you can, a person you can become who can deal with any problem with, happiness and happily with positive mindset. Okay, any problem you are facing, I personally feel, has only one problem: anger, obsession, first of all, then jealousy. All the negative emotions are actually the problem and not the situation. Okay guys, so I am damn sure that you can heal yourself. If I can heal myself, you can also heal yourself. Okay, please take all the information which I share in my YouTube channel and work on yourself and heal. And self-love is really very important, guys. Self-love requires detachment stage, acquiring detachment stage, detaching from anything you feel you cannot live without. Okay, you can live happily with yourself, guys. Self love you have to create for yourself. You are the most close person in your life of you. Okay, so just make this person happy. Okay, I hope I have made you clear about this 60-second technique and about this information which I gave you at last. Thank you so much.